This is my first time building a PC, and these are the parts I've picked out. First one is the B550M motherboard Pro Series, and an NVMe SSD 1 TB, and 16 GB of DDR4 memory calculated at 2600 MHz. And we go with the RTX 2060 Super 8 GB, and with an AMD Cisco 12-thread CPU, and the Lion Lee 650-watt power supply. I picked this one out because I do like Lion Lee. Like, my mom uses a PC, and this power supply, she has been using it for like 10, like, let me say 5 years, and no, the power supply hasn't given up yet. I also go with this Corsair case. I do love their cases. This video is not sponsored, by the way, before they sue me. So yeah, this is my PC build. Let me know what you guys think, and also the price. You guys probably don't know the currency this thing is in. I'm from Nigeria, and I currently live in Nigeria, but this is like 1 million naira. Yeah, very cheap. 1 million naira, very cheap. So I'm gonna be building out this PC. Let me know what else you guys want to see. Peace.